Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing Toast or ToastQ.com, a trading platform that's been gaining attention. And as you can see here, we are on their official page and the page looks promising, right? Look at the design, it's pretty cool. And they're showing their certificates here, sort of. Are these things legit? Well, let's find out. As you can see here, there have been a lot of articles that have been saying that this particular website or platform might be a scam. As you can see here from a website called BehindMLM.com, Toast fails to provide ownership or executive information on its website. And this particular business operates in 5 known website domains, which are ToastQ.com, Toastadon.com, and Toast.com, ctoastap.xyz, and ctoast.com. Alright, there are likely other Toast website domains that we are not aware of. Despite existing for less than a year on its website, Toast provides a bogus roadmap dating back to 2018. And as you can see here on Opinion Jam, one concern with ToastQ is its domain. It was registered on December 23, 2023, but it's set to expire a year later, which is December 23, 2024. So be careful out there. If you have invested in this particular platform, better be safe and claim those money that you have invested before the said date, as they might close the domain or the website itself. All right. Another issue is that this website says it's been around since 2018, but the website was only created in 2023, which is a big red flag. All right, moving forward, as you can see here on GridenSoft.com, ToastQ.com has a 1% trust score out of 100. From Scam Advisor, it only have 1 as well out of 100. And why is that? Because the negative highlights outweighs the positive ones. For me personally, I don't even count this one as positives, as it is normal if you have a website running. Now let's read the negative ones right here. The identity of the owner of the website is hidden on who is, as what we have tackled earlier. The Tranco rank is rather low. The server of the site has several low-reviewed other websites. The registrar of the website is popular amongst scammers. We discovered many negative reviews for the site. This website has a lot of reviews while being very young. The age of this site is very young as well. This website data-sensitive services are hosted on a shared server. This website looks to be hosted by a shady service provider. As you can see here on Scam Detector, they also have a low trust rating right here, which is 20.8 out of 100. Now, let's come to the final question, whether should you try this particular platform or not? Well, if I were you, I would not. Alright, stay away from these type of platforms and invest your money on platforms that are trusted and has high trust ratings. Alright, stay away from Ponzi schemes. And that is it. If you found this review helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.